Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Vivobarefoot Ultra IV Mens. So let's just take a look around the outside of the box. So this box is a pair of Vivobarefoot Ultra IV Mens amphibious shoes, and this pair is a men's UK size 8, US 9, Europe 42, and it's in the Obisidian colourway. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by lifting up the box lid. Just showing you the underside of the box lid. And directly inside of the box, let's peel back the wrapping or packing paper to reveal the Vivobarefoot Ultra IV Mens in the Obsidian colourway. And let's lift or take the pair of shoes out from the box. I'm just setting the box on the left hand side of the tabletop and giving you a look at the pair as they are straight out of the box. And now just setting the right shoe in the background as we take a look at the left shoe first. So giving you a look at the left shoe of this Vivobarefoot Ultra IV Mens. And now let's do a 360 rotation so you have a full and clear look of the shoe before we take much closer in looks at its details. So now taking a much closer in look at this amphibious shoe or water shoe, and you can see the upper is in a very dark colour, the obsidian, and of course you can see the hexagonal or breathable see-through upper design, and of course the Vivobarefoot logo with that V there. And the shoe is made mostly out of EVA or ethylene vinyl acetate. So giving you a close-up look at its details. So with a matte obsidian upper of the shoe, giving you a sense of the material as I press down on it and rub my finger along its surface and letting light play against the various parts of the upper. And of course with the side or outsole of the shoe we can see the nubs around the sides and lower mudguard parts of the shoe. Now taking a look towards the midfoot area and of course the eye stays, we can see slightly more textured design for the eye stay overlay or molding right there. That continues around the ankle and heel collar, and giving you a close-up look at that detail there with the Vivobarefoot logo. And as we slowly move towards the back and rotating around the heel, you can see that Vivobarefoot logo at the back or heel of the shoe, and giving you a much closer in look at its details. And once again we see the continuation with the nubbed outsole wrapping around the heel and looking towards the inner part of the shoe and towards the arch. You can see a section there for the arch raising towards the middle part of the upper. Once again we see the continuation of that hexagonal breathable see-through design on the inner part of the shoe, and continuing back towards the front you can see the mudguard or protective section of the tip or frontal toe of the shoe. So giving you some sense of that material, EVA. This is mostly vegan. And right there, just pressing down and giving you a sense of that material. Now let's take a look from tip to front as we move towards the back so you can see the details along the length of the shoe. Now top down we can see once again with the tongue right there and the lacing system. with what appears to be round laces and a toggle right there. So spring-loaded toggle for adjustability, and with the tip or aglets of the laces, giving you a look right there. And with the tongue, just giving you a clearer view as best that we can right here. With the Vivobarefoot molded on the tongue. And in terms of the tongue has a spongy feel to it. So squishy, spongy, and you can see the thickness or thinness of the tongue. There is no stretchiness to it, however it does, as I said, have a spongy feel to it. And on the back side of the tongue, just giving you a look at the lining and other details, so we can see a label right there on the back side of the tongue with the sizing details. So once again, this pair is a UK size 8, US 9, Europe 42. Let's try and have a better look at that tongue label at the back. And the material sticker or materials label or composition sticker right there. So mainly synthetic materials and mostly vegan in design. And giving you a look at the inside of the shoe as well. So it is free from any insoles or inserts. And you can see that there is the evenly spaced nubs on the inside of the shoe and that Vivobarefoot branding as well, molded on the inside. So the stickers come off, but nonetheless giving you a look right there as best that I can. And of course the inside details as well, just flipping out or turning out the insides. You can see the flexibility so far as I handle the shoe right here, and the inside details. So the inside is mostly smooth, as you can see, with a matte finish to it. So I'm just going to stick that material sticker right there back into the shoe, and just giving you an all-round look. Now taking a look at the bottom, but before we do that, actually just giving you a sense of just that ankle and heel collar design as well. So fully integrated upper of the shoe design with that collar and eye stay. Now let's go back to the bottom. I'm just going to pop this material sticker to the side so it doesn't interfere. So giving you a look right there at the bottom or sole of the shoe, we can see a nub design right throughout. And rubber-like in texture. So just dragging my finger along its surface and tapping with my fingernail. And you can see at the kind of ball part of the foot, the Vivo V logo right there in a burgundy color. So contrasting against this creamy white color. Now let's do a flexibility bend and twist test with my hands to give you some sense of the shoe's flexibility, firmness or stiffness. Okay, and now just pulling and stretching the shoe back in shape. Not that it really needs it. And now let's take a look at the right shoe of this Vivobarefoot Ultra IV Mens. Now taking a look at the right shoe, and let's do a 360 rotation with this side as well, so you have that full and clear initial look. And now taking a much closer in look at its details. So once again we see the Obisidian upper, or near black or dark grey upper design with those hexagonal holes right throughout the upper, and of course further holes for drainage for this amphibious or water shoe. And around the back, the V or Vivobarefoot branding, as well as on the sides as well. And once again giving you a sense of that structure, so pretty firm around the front or toe tip of the shoe for protection. And of course taking a look at the tongue on this side as well with the Vivobarefoot branding. And once again the back label on the tongue and the overall details on the inside of this amphibious shoe. And at the sole we can see once again fully nubbed and very flat in design, even and flat, and sock liner less in design. Now let's take a look at the pair together side by side. And from the front to the back. Directly from the back. Top down. And the bottoms or undersides of the shoes. So that's the Vivobarefoot Ultra IV Mens. Thanks for watching and happy walking!